you should see a food order sticker right here. Go ahead and click that. And this is basically how this works. You have to choose a partner from the listed partners here to do food delivery for your business. So if you make sandwiches, for example, you could partner up with DoorDash, and DoorDash will take care of those deliveries for you. So before you choose any of these, you have to press learn more right here, and you have to sign up for one of those businesses. So right here on the bottom, the setup, select a partner for food orders on Instagram, and these are your options. Basically, these are links to those websites. So if you click DoorDash, for example, it just takes you to that website where your business has to sign up for this. So you have to do that so you could get a website URL from DoorDash first. So again, choose one of the delivery options there on that page, sign up on their website, and then you could come back here and then you could choose your partner. So again, let's say we sign up for DoorDash. So now choose a partner, we could click DoorDash. And here it's going to say type in the URL. Now this is not DoorDash.com. We don't want to take people to that website. We want to take them to DoorDash.com/whatever your URL is with DoorDash. So that's why you have to sign up with that process first. Again, you could click learn more anytime to get the links to any of those partners that do the delivery of the food for you. Then once you do that, in this case, I will just leave it as DoorDash.com just to show you what happens next. So again, type in the URL that you sign up for on that food delivery service, then press done on the top right. And this is basically what the sticker looks like here. I could, as any sticker, place it anywhere on my page here. In fact, it's better just to take a picture of something better than just a black surface here to have as your background. But with that selected here, you have two options on top. I just click the stickers. I have the color option. So I could choose a variety of different colors here. And I have the link option. The link option is going to take me back to this place where I could go ahead and add a link or remove a link. I'm going to cancel. And then when I'm all set, I could just go ahead and press your story on the corner and it's going to share it to all my followers on Instagram. Let me go ahead and post it so I could show you what the other people see. So now if someone clicks my Instagram story here, they will see this option. And when they press order, it will take him to that URL, that website that I typed in there. I typed in DoorDash.com, so that's where it took me. But if it was my custom URL with DoorDash, it would take me to that page on DoorDash or whatever my partner delivery service was. And what's great about this, you could also put this on your Instagram bio. So if I press edit profile here, I have an option all the way on the bottom. It says action button here, not active. I could click that and then it's going to let me add the order food delivery option here. So I could go ahead and press that and then it will remember my URL from when I made the sticker here. And then I could add this on my profile. So people could just click to order food right on my profile on top of doing it on the sticker option inside of Instagram story. And then once you do put in your URL, if you go back, all you have to press is active on profile, select that, and then go ahead and check that on and then press done. And now if I go back to my profile and I go ahead and refresh, you could see the order food option is right on my profile. So I could go ahead and click it here and it'll take me to that website. Again, I have to set that up first. I hope you found this quick video useful and you could benefit from it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech and social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.